A great feature of iBooks Author is the ability to create and add a glossary directly to our book. By adding a glossary, it will automatically create an index of terms that will be hyperlinked directly into our pages of our book. To create a glossary, you want to make sure that you have the glossary toolbar open. You can open this by going up to the View option in the toolbar and selecting Glossary Toolbar. Your glossary toolbar will appear underneath of your formatting toolbar. To add a term into the glossary, simply navigate to the page in your document and select the text that you want to have added to the glossary. As soon as you select the text, the new glossary term is automatically listed inside of the glossary toolbar. You simply click the button that says Add Term, and the term is now added to the glossary. When you add a term, the text that you selected is also bolded to show the user that they can interact with the text to get access to the definition. But only the first term that you select is highlighted. Any additional times where this term appears on the same page or any subsequent pages, they're not highlighted automatically. For instance, down here, later in the page, is another instance of the word John Muir. For this, I can create what's called a link to this glossary term by simply selecting the text and then going up to my glossary toolbar and clicking the button that says Add Link. Since the text automatically matches, the index drop-down menu is already selected to the proper term. Let's go ahead and click on the term John Muir and we can access our glossary. Next, we'll need to add a definition to the term. I've included a text file in the Chapter 1 exercise files called glossary.txt. If you don't have access to the files, you can go ahead and pause the video and copy down the text. Let's go ahead and select all of this text using Command A on our keyboard and then Command C to copy it to our clipboard. We can then close the file, click on the definition inside of our glossary, and paste the text using Command V. If you'd like to add an image or video to your definition, you can do so by simply dragging those into the page. If we look further down in the definition for this term, we can see at the bottom of the page we have our index. Currently, there's two listings in here indicating the two separate listings where we've selected the term and linked them in our document. If we click on the second term, we'll be taken directly back to our In the Steps of John Muir page, and the link that we clicked on from the index has been automatically highlighted for us. By adding a glossary of terms to your documents, you're able to increase your reader's access to information both throughout your document and cross-reference information by providing additional definitions and resources to your users.